Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on Pocket Option. So right now we go back to the homepage because I already was there. But if you want to create yourselves an account, you go right here to pocketoption.com and then we select right here registration. Then we fill in right here our email and our password, and then we select right here, I have read and accepted the following agreement, and then we do sign up. So I will do this real quick. And boom, there we are. So right now they're telling us hello and welcome to Pocket Option. Join more than 90 million traders from all over the world. Now we click here on continue, select right here the country where we are from. Select right here your currency. So I want to trade with US dollars. And now we do confirm. Then right now he's also asking us, do you want to deposit for investments for real profit, study, or go to the platform right now? We select that. And there we are. So guys, this is seriously how easy it is to create yourselves an account on Pocket Option. Hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.